ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਨ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸ਼੍ਰਵਣ ਕਰਨੇ ਜੀ। Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib in Rag Ramkali. Ramkali provides the lofty state of mind and also provides the peace. It's a beautiful rag. Even Anand Sahib Bani is composed in Rag Ramkali. Dhan Dhan Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, the fifth embodiment of Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, reveals in today's Hukamnama how important it is to meditate on Vaheguru's Naam. Har har naam sang tere chala. We are short-sighted. We can't see very far in the future. People think of retirement. When I retire, I'll have this much money. This will be my pension. But we do not know the life beyond this human life. Guru Maharaj inspires us to think about that time, that life which comes after this human life. Whilst we are making arrangements or preparing ourselves for the next life, same effort helps us to make this life blissful. What is that method? Ram Naam Gun Gaile Mita. Mita means friend. In this Shabad, there's so much love, so much compassion. Oh, my friend, sing Vaheguru's praises. Ram Naam Gun Gaile Mita. Guru Maharaj, what do I get? We all are business people, business minded. What am I going to get? Har Simrat Teri Laaj Rahe. If you will remember Vaheguru, your honor will be preserved. You will be respected in this world and the next world. So it is solution for this world and the next world. It's a good deal. It's a beautiful deal. Har Simrat Jam Kach Na Kahai. If you remember Vaheguru, you sing Vaheguru's praises, you say, Vaheguru, you are fearless. Nirpao, Nirpao, Nirpao. You are meditating on the word Nirpao, and you have that feeling, Vaheguru, you are not scared of death. You are Akal. You have no fear. Vaheguru, you are not scared of any finance. You have everything. You own everything. Nirpao. Vaheguru, you are not scared of any harm from anyone. Nirpao. Vaheguru, you have no fear of disease, illness. Anyone at all. What will happen? Nirpao japa sagal pao mita. Prabh kirpa te prani chuta. That is why Guru Maharaj is inspiring us to sing Vaheguru's virtues. You should every morning recite Mool Mantra Bani with meaning. So you should have that feeling within you. Vaheguru, you are fearless. What happens? You become fearless. Gun gavat teri utras mail binas jaye hu main big fan. This is beautiful. We have accumulated sins from many, many lives. Many lives. It's not one life, many lives. Janam janam ki is man ko mal lagi, kala hua sya. This mind is filthy from the bad deeds we have done in so many lives. But singing Vaheguru's praises, all this filth of sins is being washed away. भरी है मत पापा कै संग, ओ धुप है नावै कै रंग. As you sing Vaheguru's praises, गुण गावत तेरी उतरस मैल. Your mal, the filth of ego, filth of all the sins will be washed away. Now what is going to happen? Your aura is going to become very strong. Aura is like a magnetic pull. It's the vibration around you. The death couriers, called as Jamdut, who come to take your soul away, they don't like that vibration. They run away. Har Simrat Jam Kach na kahai. Even the Jamdoots, the death couriers who come to take your soul away, they don't even touch you. They respect you. Guru Maharaj, I have ambitions in my life. I want to have house. I want to have my family. But Guru Maharaj inspires us to think about the motive. Why? You know, if we question to Guru Maharaj, why we need to have case? Why we need to have Amrit? So now we are asking Guru Maharaj this question. Guru Maharaj is asking us, tell me why you want house? Why do you want family? What is your motive? Your answer may be, because I want to live comfortably. But why? What is the prime objective of having your family, having your house? So Guru Maharaj is making us think. Because Tere Kaj na Grah Raj Mal, Guru Maharaj reveals, nothing will help you, your home, your property, your friends, your family. So why do you want to have it? Making you think. Your answer should be, Vaheguru, I need home, I need money, I need resources, so I can serve you. Teri seva karn vaste. To serve you. Sath Sangat ji, we need to start from our own families. How many people in our family, they are Gurmukh? We are loaded with money. We have cars, we have all the comforts. How many people in the family are connected to the Guru? If they are not, we have failed. So Guru is asking us question, why do you want prosperity in your life? Why do you want money? Why do you want house? Why do you want so many cars? The answer is, Guru Maharaj is inspiring us to think that all the resources have been given by Vaheguru, so we can help people to turn to Vaheguru. If we have failed to do that, we have miserably failed. साडे बच्चे कहना नहीं मनते, गुरुद्वारे नहीं आते. पैसे दी की फायदा होया पैसे का? इन्ना पैसा कमा के, you know, we have done the shifts. Day and night we are accumulating money, making bigger houses. What for? Tere kaaj na bikhe janjal. This is very important. Ist meet jaan sab chala. Ist means your best Baba or best Sant. The person you love, very holy person. Even Guru Maharaj is revealing the Ist, your best Baba, your best Sant is deceptive. How did that person become deceptive? How did that person become Sant? Have you ever thought of that? He meditated on Vaheguru. He followed Guru's hukam. So why don't you follow Guru's hukam rather than following that Baba? This is going to take you into hell if you follow people. Meet your friend. Sath Sangat ji, have seen relatives, friends. They are on your side when they think it's hurting their pride or I'm not able to help them, they leave. सारा परिवार नाल बैठा होंदा, जदों पता लगदा भी हुण इन्हें कुछ नहीं करना या नहीं कर सकता, सारे भज जांदे. So what is going to help me? Har har naam sang tere chale. Only Vaheguru's naam is going to go with you, which means your compassion, how much you have helped people, how much you are connected to Vaheguru. Just think, when you sleep, what dream you have. Do you dream about Vaheguru, or do you dream about the cars? Or do you dream about dog chasing you? If you dream about Vaheguru, your conscience is corrected. That's the sign. A lot of people say, I get nightmares, I can't sleep. Reason being, you are disconnected. You are into too much, the films. You must be watching very horrible films that in your dream as well, you are getting nightmares. So make Guru Maharaj do Kirpa. The only way to be happy in this life is Ram Naam Gun Gaile Mita Har Simrat Teri Laaj Rahe. Sing Vaheguru's Gun, praises. Ustat man mein Kar Nirankar, Kar man mere Sat Vyavhar. Always do good deeds. You will do good deeds when you sing Vaheguru's praises, because you will have Vaheguru's qualities. May Satguru bless you all. Keep in Chaddi Kala. प्यार ना फतेह सांझी करनी जी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की